Ready to transform your Wati templates from basic to brilliant? Let's dive in. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Templates section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to view all available templates. Here, you'll see a range of pre-designed templates. Browse through them and select the one that best suits your needs. As a starting point, click on it to open it up. Now, let's customize. To change the text, simply click on the text box you want to modify and start typing. You can adjust the font size, color, and style using the formatting options available above the text box. To replace an image, click on the existing image placeholder. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to upload your own image from your computer or select one from Wati's media library. Need to rearrange the layout? You can easily drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons. To reposition them, click on an element, hold, and drag it to where you want it on the screen. You can also resize elements by clicking and dragging the corners. To change the template's colors to match your brand, look for the color palette options. Click on each color to select your brand's colors, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Once you are happy with your edits, click the Save button. Now your customized template is ready to engage your customers on WhatsApp. Experiment with different templates and elements to create the perfect messages for your business.